Tired of watching the markets 24/7 just to grow your crypto portfolio? Nexonix Profit offers a smarter, hands-off solution designed for investors in Singapore who want reliable results without the stress and screen time. This AI-powered trading platform helps you grow your crypto assets automatically and efficiently. With advanced automation and real-time market analysis, Nexonix Profit delivers daily returns. No trading knowledge or manual input needed. Users report consistent profits ranging from 100 to 650 Singapore dollars per day, powered by intelligent trade execution and 24/7 operation. Some investors even reach monthly returns of up to 70%, placing Nexonix Profit among the top-performing automated crypto tools available in Singapore. Ready to see what hands-free crypto investing can do for you? Click the link in the description to claim your exclusive welcome bonus and become one of the first in Singapore to benefit from Nexonix Profit. Driven by cutting-edge AI, the platform operates around the clock, scanning global markets, spotting trends, and responding instantly to market changes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, it works to minimize risks and maximize potential. Nexonix Profit is built on a secure infrastructure based in Singapore, fully compliant with local regulatory standards including MAS guidelines, KYC, and AML protocols. Your data and assets are protected with top-tier encryption and security systems. Thousands of users around the world trust Nexonix Profit to generate stable, passive income through crypto. On top of its performance, the platform stands out for its ease of use, making crypto investing simple, even for first-timers. Imagine your portfolio growing every day, without stress, without screens, and without second-guessing. Don't wait. Click now to claim your bonus and discover how Nexonix Profit is transforming automated crypto investing in Singapore. Nexonix Profit represents trust, security, and cutting-edge innovation. Its AI is developed by expert fintech engineers and is constantly optimized to adapt to market changes, focusing on risk reduction and performance. The platform connects seamlessly to major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, allowing you to link your wallets and start trading in minutes. A local Singapore-based support team is available 24/7 to assist you, whether you're just getting started or already experienced. If you're looking for a smart, safe, and regulation-compliant way to earn passive crypto income, now is the time to act. Nexonix Profit, the AI-powered crypto bot for automated investing in Singapore.